Friends, today I am going to show you 5 important WordPress settings that you need to change right now. And by improving these settings, you can make your website faster, safer, and easier to manage. And trust me, when you fix these problems, you will think why you did not do it sooner. And friends, if you are new to my channel, my name is Zubair from Digital Crafter. And also I have developed some digital marketing tools with the name AI Web Ranker that are 100% free to use. Moreover, I also share my test strategies about WordPress, AI, making money online, digital marketing on my YouTube channel. And friends, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe it. Anyway, let's get back to our video and let me show you how you can improve these WordPress settings. Let's start it. So my friends, in this video, I am going to cover the WordPress settings that will improve your website security, speed up your WordPress site without using any extra plugins, and improve your WordPress SEO with just a few clicks. Now let's move to first important WordPress setting, that is time zone and date format. And friends, setting the correct time zone in your WordPress setting is very important because WordPress schedules your post based on the time zone you choose. And if this time zone is wrong, your post may go live at the wrong time. Let me give you an example. If you set the wrong city and time zone in your phone, everything will be messed up. So you need to make sure that the time zone and date format in your WordPress setting are correctly configured so that your blog posts can go live when you expect them. So to configure the time zone and date settings, go to your WordPress dashboard. This is the WordPress admin dashboard of my website digitcrafter.com. Now if you go to settings and then click on general, and here in general settings, go to the end of this page and here you will find time zone. And from this drop down menu, select your time zone or your city name. And after selecting your city name or time zone, next select your date format. But the most important is time zone. And as I explained you earlier, setting this time zone correctly helps you to publish your blog posts at the right time. Now let's move to second important setting, that is configuring permalink structure. And what are the permalinks? These are the links or URLs to your web pages. For example, if I go to my blog and here let's open any article, open this one, and here on this page you will see this URL. This is the permalink of my article, and you need to make sure that this URL or link is clean and easy to understand. So the question is how you can configure clean and easy permalinks to your web pages. But before, we need to make sure that our permalink structure is correctly configured. For this you need to go to WordPress admin dashboard, and here under settings you will find permalinks. Click on permalinks. And here is an important point. When you set up your WordPress for the first time, WordPress will apply plain permalink structure. You can see we have a question mark p equal to 123. So this URL is not user friendly. To correctly configure your permalink structure, you need to select this option, post name. As you can see in my this blog article, this is the name of my blog article. Now you can see here this post name is clean, short and very easy to understand. This will help search engines to find and understand your content better. And setting your permalinks in this way will help your website to get higher rank in search engines. Now the question is how you can set this clean and short URL to your web pages. Let me show you an example. If I go to my WordPress admin dashboard and let's open any blog post, go to posts and then click on all posts. And here let me show you the exact article. I am going to show you this permalink structure. So go to posts and this is the title of my article. Here you will find an option quick edit. Click on it. And here you will find slug. So this is the permalink structure of my web page. We have the exact post name here. Create unique content with AI. Let's go back to our post name. And you can see here we have create unique content with AI. And from here you can set permalink of your web pages. And as I explained you, keep your permalink short, clean and easy to understand. Now let's move to third important setting, that is configuring your media settings. For this you need to go to settings and then click on media. Every time when you upload an image to your WordPress website, it automatically makes extra copies of that image in 3 different versions that are small size, medium size and large size. But you only need one version for your images. For example, in my case, my WordPress website is generating 3 different versions of images. First is thumbnail size with 300, second is medium size with 600 max width, with 1024 pixels max width. If I go to my this blog article and here right click on it and then click on inspect. And here you can see we have multiple versions of our image. First is of 1400 pixels, second is 600 and third one is with 300 pixels, and also we have here 768 and 150. So all these multiple versions of images in your website makes your website slower and may take up a lot of storage of your hosting. Therefore, you only need one version of your image. So in my case, my website is a blog site and mostly I need to show larger images. So in my case, I am going to remove these sizes. Thumbnail size, remove it, and then remove the medium size. I am going to keep only 1024 and then click on Save Changes. And in this way, it will only generate the size that I need. But if you have an e-commerce website, you can set the medium size and keep the image size 800, or you can set 600. And also for the max height, set it to 600 or 800. But that's only in case if your website is a e-commerce store. But if you have a blog website, you only need to set larger image. As in my case, it's 1024. So in this way, your website will not store unnecessary copies of your images, which keeps your site faster. Next important setting is discussion and comments. For this, go to settings and then click on discussion. And here in other comment settings, you need to make sure that this option is enabled. Users must be registered and logged in to comment. By default, WordPress allows anyone to comment on your posts. This is a great option, but it also means if you have not enabled this option, you can get spam comments from bots, and these comments may also have suspicious links. For example, let me show you an example of suspicious comment. If I go to my comments, and you can see here this comment and also this one and the third one here, all these comments are spam because these are generated by the bots, and all these three comments have suspicious links. As you can see here, this is the suspicious link, also the other one here, and also in the third comment here you can see this is also the suspicious link. So when you or your subscriber will click on this suspicious link, your site or account may get compromised. So you need to make sure you enable this option in other comment settings. Users must be registered and logged into comment. This is very important. This keeps your website clean and free from unwanted messages. Now the fifth and last setting is reading. To access the reading settings, go to settings and then under the settings, click on reading. Your homepage is the first thing that people see when they visit your website. For example, if you visit my website, it will show you latest posts. So the question is how I configure this setting. Simply on reading settings, I have selected this option, your latest posts. Now whenever I publish any article, it automatically shows on the front page of my blog. But if you want to give a more professional look or you want to set another static page, for this you need to select this option, a static page, and from here you can set another page for your home page. Here you will find list of pages that you have published. Also you can set your post page here. And friends, most important point is you need to make sure that search engine visibility is unchecked. If you enable this option, it will discourage search engines from indexing your website. Friends, know that you have learned these settings. It's time to go into your WordPress dashboard and make these quick changes. Your site will be faster, cleaner and more secure in no time. Also, if you need my assistance, just let me know in the comment section below. And friends, remember to hit the like button if you found this video helpful. And subscribe for beginner-friendly WordPress tutorials and tips. Also, I share with you my tested techniques about AI, digital marketing, making money online, SEO and much more. Take care. See you in next video. Bye.